This is such a joy to do. I tell you what, it's going to be called Critter Alley, I think. Critter Alley. Very cool. Thank you, Jen Jones, for letting me go crazy, and also everybody at JAX. This was a good one. I like this. This goes right down the road where everybody's going into departures, hourly parking, daily parking, and it really gets you. Hopefully it'll relieve the stress, traveling, saying goodbye to loved ones, and all that good stuff. Not that good stuff, but you know, hopefully it gives you a little bit of a break on the way out, and also picking up someone you're getting from another state visiting you. This is really cool. So with that, I'm going to give you this walk here really cool and show you this. This was cool to do. I think it's one of the coolest projects. I just wanted to donate it to JAX and all the people here. It's just so cool, man, you know? This is all for you. Here, watch this. I'll probably speed this up so you see it. It's coming right out of the corner there. This guy might hit. And that's it. Well, I tell you what, this was a job.